Hello children, I welcome all of you to maths class once again. Today we are going to do model test paper page number 173. So this model test paper is based on chapters number 6 to 12. Alright. So let us do. So I request all of you to take page number 173. So now let us do the class, right? Now this is the question. First one is fill in the blanks. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So this question is from the chapter multiplication. Okay. So how many 8s are there? First you have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 8s, isn't it? So what we are going to write here? We will write here 6. 6 what? 6 8. So 6 into 8 is how much? 6 8s is 48. So if you write 8 into 6, it will become wrong. Alright children, first you have to count how many are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers are there. 6 numbers of what? 8. So 6 into 8 is 48. Now the next question is 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? So the answer will be here 100 centimeter, right? Now dash kg is 1000 gram. It is 1? Yes, it is 1 kg. Now a cone has how many flat faces? We have discussed this so many times. A cone has got 2 flat faces, right? Then 1 edge and 1 vertex. Do you remember? Okay. Now the next one is next two terms of the pattern. So this is from the chapter. This is from measurement chapter. The first one, number A, is from multiplication. Number B is from measurement. Number D is from shapes. Number E is from patterns. Okay. Number F is from months and all, not time. And number G is from money chapter. Okay. So all the chapters are coming here. So next two patterns will be LM, NO, PQ. So this will be RS, then TU. Okay. How many months have 31 days? So this one we have already done very nicely in the chapter time. So 7 months are having 31 days, right? 4 months are having 30 days. If you have any doubt, you may count it on the with the help of your hands. Okay, and 1 month is having 28 or 29 days, that is February. Okay, now 705 paisa will be how much? You have to write. It will be 7 rupees and 5 paisa. So let us write now. So 1 meter is equal to 1000 centimeter. Now here 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. A cone has 2 flat faces, LM, NO, PQ. Then this will be RS. Then this one will be TU. Okay. Now dash months of a year have 31 days. How many months? 7 months of a year is having 31 days. 4 months are having 30 days. So 4 plus 1 is how? 7 plus 4 is how much? 11 months, isn't it? 7 plus 4 is 11. Now left is 1 month. And that 1 month is February, and it has got 28 or 29 days. So it will be here 7 rupees and 05 paise. Okay. So I hope you understood this one. So children, you please copy it down in your textbook. Now let us do number 2, that is multiplication. This is also from the chapter multiply. So let us do, it's very easy. So 3 into 3 is 9, and this one will become 3 2 will become 6. Okay, in a ones place it is 2, tens place 1, hundreds place it is 4, and again it is multiplied by 2. So let us do it here again. It will become here 4. 2 ones are will be 2 and 2 fours are will be 8. Okay. Now 2 twos are is 4. Now here 2 into 8 is how much, children? It is 16. Okay. Now 4 twos are is 8. 4 into 0 will be 0. 4 ones are will become 4. Alright. I hope you understood. You have to simply know the multiplication table. If you know the multiplication table, you will be able to do it nicely. Okay. Now let us do the third one. Okay, the third question, that is write the time shown by the following clocks. So what is the time shown here? The small hand is pointing towards 2. Isn't it? That means the hour hand is pointing towards 2 and the minute hand is pointing towards 12 o'clock. That means it is 2 o'clock, isn't it? So now here it is 6, 7, 8. 8 and it is at 6. That means half. This means it is 8:30, or you can write 8:30. Now this one is pointed towards 5, isn't it? 5 and 6. So it is 5:30. You may write it as 5:30 or 5:30. Okay. Now this will be 7:15, or you can also write it as 7:15. Okay, you will write it yourself. Okay, and I will be seeing. I have already told you what to write. Now you will be writing this one. Okay, now let us do the last question, that is draw the hands to show the time. Okay, now in this question we have to draw the hands. Okay, so this is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So now what time we have to show here? We have to draw 5:30. That means the small hand should be between 5 and 6, not exactly at 5. Okay, between 5 and 6, and the longer hand should be at. It is not easy to draw in the mobile, so I will try to draw it if possible. So now this will be here, it will be 5:30. Okay, you draw it nicely. Okay, it should start from the middle. Now this is 7 o'clock. 7 means from here. The small hand should come here and the bigger hand should be, oh no, it's not correct. Okay, this one also you will draw. I will just tell you, explain the things and you will draw it. Okay, now here the smaller hand, that means the hour hand should come between 5 and 6 and the minute hand should come exactly at 6. Okay, and now this is 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock means the small hand should come here and the minute hand or the longer hand should come exactly at 12 o'clock. Okay, now it is 1:30, or you may also tell it as 1:30. So the smaller hand or the hour hand should be between 1 and 2, exactly between 1 and 2, and the longer hand should be exactly at 6. Alright, now the last one is 9:15. How do you say this one? 9:15 or quarter past 9. Okay, so here the smaller hand should be at 9 o'clock, at 9. Okay, that means here at 9, and the longer hand should be at 3. Okay, let me do this one. Okay, it will somewhat like a straight line. It will look like somewhat like a line. Okay, like this, small hand here and the longer hand that side. Okay, so I hope you understood how to do. Now today I have done up to number 4 model test paper, up to question number 4 I have done. Again in the next class we will continue the remaining questions. Okay, only this much in today's class, children. Have a nice day.